She left me. So today, you're watching a video that we did a while ago of us at McDonald's. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video. See you in a bit. Say bye.
Now that's my face. Eat it.
No, because
Do you even know what you're having?
No.
At Macca's. Wait, let me tell you.
Hello. Macca's, we gotta
Can't
try some
tune.
food.
I can eat all the Macca's.
And gotta see what we like. Hiya.
Hiya.
You alright? Can we have a chicken, what do you call it? A chicken mac, please.
Chicken Big Mac.
Yes, a meal, yes. Can I have that's a large one, please.
A large one, yeah?
Yeah, and a cup of tea with three sugars and milk.
You get the sugars at the end.
Anything else?
Josiah, what do you want? Huh? Can I get a barbecue chicken legend meal, please? Large. Yes, please. Oasis, please.
Yeah.
Should I try the double?
Misha, can we have extra relish for my chicken?
Can I get extra relish on the chicken Big Mac meal, please?
Yeah, that's fine. Anything else?
Can I have the double Big Mac meal?
Is that large?
Yes, please.
Ordering?
Diet Coke.
Filet of fish.
And then can I get a filet fish on its own?
Yeah.
And a cheeseburger.
Anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
Okay, please.
Cheers.
Thank
So as you can hear, Mum say, eat it! But can we have a chicken Big Mac meal, please? But we didn't even say that. Can we have a chicken mac? And a cup of tea? I don't even know what drink I just ordered. What drink did I order? Oh, if I ordered that, did I order a Diet Coke? Did I order a Diet Coke?
I only did that because my sister does it all the time when she goes to the Macca's.
Oh yes, she does, yeah.
So she'll see me doing it on here.
What was I gonna say? Did I order a Diet Coke?
I have no idea.
What did I order?
I don't know.
Why are you not helping me? Oh, there's Josiah. Josiah who didn't want to be on camera.
Oh.
Can I have 2 more? Thank you. Idiot. Josiah, you staying in the camera? Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah.
We're parked up, got our food. Cheeseburger. We're going to try the double Big Mac. I did have a Diet Coke, and the reason why I have a Diet Coke is nothing because I know I'm eating. Josiah, if you don't want to be on the screen, go sit behind me. The reason why is because I don't like the taste of normal Coke. Nothing to do with the fact that it's diet.
Why are you always worried about what people care?
No, because a lot of people say like, yeah, but you're having McDonald's, so why are you having a Diet Coke? You know what I mean? Because I do what I want. Mac and fries. They're always good.
They're the best, aren't they?
I have to say, Burger King fries are the best.
I'll leave it out for the moment. I'll crack my milk.
Huh? Push your chair back, Mum.
Why?
I'm gonna do it like this. So, as you can see, I've got the double Big Mac. You couldn't get it right there, look. Which basically I just added 2 more burgers in.
Aye.
You shouldn't do it. You should do it that way, man. You should eat your.
No, I want to eat it this way, thank you. I've got filet fish, look at that.
Look at the camera. We've got that. The one thing I can always say about filet fish, yeah, it's always the most perfect looking burger.
They put much cheese in there, look. Half a slice in there, look. You see? Look. Look, is it half a slice? Look. They'd rob you at the fucking drive-thru. Oh. It tastes fun.
Is that good, yeah? You happy with that? Elite sauce. Gotta be sweet and sour. The double Big Mac.
It's a nice mish.
Mm?
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Don't you think it's a bit dry when it's because you put all of you? Don't you think it's a bit dry?
Mm. Overall, let me have another bite.
It's alright. But sometimes, I'm vegan. We're not actually eating it. You don't compensate. There's also a bit more sauce in it. I feel like there's quite a lot of sauce in there. Yeah. It's literally exactly the same as a Big Mac. I wouldn't try and get it again. I mean, I would just go for another Big Mac next time. But we've got to try this, isn't it? I think I remember when it first came out. No, I think it was a quarter pound, you know. No, you don't. You had the grand Big Mac. Yeah. Again, it's the same as the other one.
Yeah, now that I'm getting through it, it's dry.
That means you always ask me, why do I have a cup of tea? And trust me, this quenches your thirst better than that does. Mish. Do you know that? Even though it's burned on my pipeline.
Your pipeline there, you know.
Oh, double one, don't I? And we haven't eaten breakfast, have we?
Mm-mm.
Ooh. That looks rather nice. And they still use the same, the sesame something. Yeah.
They've literally just replaced it with 2 chicken burgers.
So I asked for extra relish. As you can see, my name getting them.
Did you get it? Should be on the box. You normally put a sticker on. I'm gonna have to take the meat out there today.
Alright, be fair.
I told you, nothing special. Flat like you. See, for me, that there is the best bit.
Which?
The relishy bit there.
With the onions and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, but they never put enough in there. The bread's just sweet. What? Let's just break this bit off here.
I'm in the middle bit. Best bit, man.
That bit there's the best bit, man.
Did you just think that you got hungry because you weren't really?
Yes. As soon as that's done. Really? Why is that too much? As soon as that's done, that's a yes.
That's the size of your mouth.
Eh?
There's your size of mouth there, look.
Are you going to finish your food or...
Thanks for joining us.
Shall we hit the road, Jack?
Thanks for joining us, I guess.
So we're going to say, oh yeah.
See ya.
Desire, come and say yo. Give me the last bit, come on.
What do you want? What? No, you want to say right on me,
You got really excited about your Instagram. No, it says no, give it one more. But why not mention that? I love saying goodbye.